Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you are listening to this particular voice or this video. Now today I will be teaching you guys the spiritual powers of the broom. There are a lot of things around us given to us by nature that we can use to help ourselves. You see, on the normal circumstances, right? We normally use broom to sweep out unwanted substance in the house. So also in the spiritual realm, we normally use broom to sweep out unwanted things. That's the most time when you see like a native doctor want to go and cleanse the house. You see, you normally use broom. You see, you put a broom inside pot, they bring it out and sprinkle the water around. You see, so we normally use broom to remove unwanted things. So today I will teach you guys how you can use broom to remove hatred, how you can use broom to remove poverty, and how you can use broom to destroy the enemy's plan. Okay, now first of all, there are some things you need to know about broom. If you like, you call it superstition, but it's something I know. If you are the type that normally cross broom oftenly, that you always cross broom, people will hate you. It's very very bad. You crossing broom all the time, it makes people to hate you. It brings hatred. So avoid crossing the broom all the time. Sometimes it is happening to us, you don't know why, because there are some things you are doing around you that causes those things. Because some things you see physically, they represent some things spiritually. Okay, so broom is used to remove unwanted things. So if you are the type that normally cross the broom, people will hate you. So avoid crossing the broom all the time. Okay, now I want to teach you guys how you can use broom to remove negativity. There was the last class I did on WhatsApp. I taught my members that you can use broom to stop witch attack. If you just place a broom across your door, no witch can pass that door and go enter inside your house. It's not possible. Okay, so today I will teach you, apart from that, what you can use broom to do. You can use broom to sweep out all the all the bad things the enemies has planted in you, all the monitoring spirit they have planted in you, so that anything you do they will know. All the negativity, your enemy, the charms, native charm that they have planted in you. Okay, you can use broom to sweep them away. Yes, you can use broom to sweep them away. Now if you like this video so far, please, before I continue, I want you to like this video. Just want to bless you with this video, bless someone with this video as well. Okay, so like the video, click on the subscription button, then click on the bell notification, the small bell, so that anytime I post a video you will get notified. You'll be the first person to know when I post a wonderful video. And I want you to comment on the comment section that this must work for me, or comment I am sweeping out all negativity this time around, I'm sweeping out poverty this time around. So comment any of this word you wish on the comment section. Okay, comment this on the comment section. Now, as I said, all you need for this ritual is just a broom. Yes, it's just a broom. You can use broom to destroy your enemy. They will come and beg you, and you can also use broom to remove bad things in your body. Now, how will you do this? Now, what you are going to do is this: buy a new broom, not the one you have been using before. Yes, buy a new broom, not the one you have been using before. Buy a new broom. Start this thing on Wednesday. Should start the middle of the day, the middle of the week. Start this ritual Wednesday. Okay. So you have bought the new broom. Then Wednesday, carry the broom always in the morning before you talk to anybody. Carry the broom and be using the broom to sweep your body. Say whatever it is in your body that is doing you no good but harm, whatever it is that is making you spend money unnecessarily, whatever it is that is making you to fornicate, if you are the type that fornicate, anything you know at all is disturbing you, whatever it is that is making you not to make money, whatever it is that is delay your destiny, whatever it is that is fighting you, the enemy has done in you, you are using this broom to sweep it. As you are saying all those words, you'll be using the broom to sweep your body from head down to toe. Anywhere your heart can use the broom. Use the broom to sweep your body while you speak those words. Speaking those words matters. Be speaking those words with passion early morning before you talk to anybody. Whatever it is, I'm sweeping it out. Poverty, I'm sweeping you out. Hatred, I'm sweeping you out. I'm sweeping you out. Unnecessary spending, I'm sweeping you out. Fornication, I'm sweeping you out. Adultery, I'm sweeping you out. Evil spirit in me, I'm sweeping you out. Whatever it is they have planted in me, I'm sweeping you out. As I'm sweeping this broom, as I'm using this broom to sweep myself that was, so also also all those things will go. As I'm using this broom to sweep myself, that way you'll be using the broom to sweep yourself while you speak all those words. Okay, you'll be doing it downward. So you keep speaking all the words, all the things you don't want. Let them go. As you are sweeping them is what you are sweeping away. Speak those words, you sweep yourself. That as you are doing this, when you are doing, if you want to do this, okay, if you want to do this, don't do it inside your room. Go to your toilet and do it. Go to the toilet and do it. So you are doing it. You have when you are done, keep that broom in that toilet. Then the next day you do it. So you are going to do this for 7 consecutive days. 7 days. You are going to do this for 7 consecutive days. So on the 7th day, that broom, you will keep it somewhere, burn it to ashes. Burn the broom to ashes. After you have burned the broom to ashes, okay, pack that ashes, go to main road. No matter how much the ashes is, be packing it in your palms. If you want to blow it away, pack it on your palm, blow it away. Then if it is remaining, pack it on your palm as well, blow it away again. This is how you put it in your palm and be blowing it away till it is finished. Then when you go back home, go and take your bath on the 7th day. After you have blow out the ashes, immediately you go back home, then you are going to take your bath immediately. Remember, when you are blowing these ashes away, you will be saying you are blowing all your poverty, you are blowing poverty away, you are blowing hatred away, you are blowing fornication away. If you are the water fornication, anything you know you are removing, you'll be saying is what you are blowing away. Then you blow out the ashes. Okay. The another thing you can do with broom is you can use broom to flog your enemy. Yes, they will beg. Anytime they see you, their heart will cut, their mind will spoil. If they see you, they will go and take another route. Now, this is what you are going to do. Get a broom, okay? When you have gotten a broom, remove 7 sticks of the broom. 7 sticks of the broom. Get a broom, remove 7 sticks from the broom. 7 sticks from the broom. Then hold it and speak. Whoever is against my progress, all my enemies that don't want me to prosper, whoever it be, being it a man or a woman, being him from my family, being him from my workplace, being my colleague, be anywhere, just speak the word. Anything you want to speak the word wherever the person come from, being him a man or a woman, old or young, that is against my progress. As I'm hitting this broom on the ground, I am flogging that person. You keep hitting it harder with passion, keep hitting it on the ground. Whoever it is, this person will not have no peace of mind. Anytime that person see me, his mind will spoil. Anytime the person plan evil against me, his body will not be the same thing again. You keep hitting that broom on the ground. You keep hitting it. As you are speaking those words on it, speak them with passion. As you are speaking those words, you keep hitting the broom on the ground. You keep hitting the broom on the ground. You keep hitting the broom on the ground. After you are done with your prayer, say all you want. Whoever is against your progress, whoever is against your destiny, whoever say you will not get married, whoever say you will not reach your destiny, whoever is delay your destiny, whoever say that if money comes to your hand, you will not know what you do with that money, let that person, as I'm flogging, hitting this on the ground, is that person I'm flogging, you keep hitting that broom on the ground. The 7 stick of the broom, or not the whole broom, the 7 stick, you keep hitting it on the ground until when you are done with the prayer. So you take that 7 sticks of the broom, break it into pieces. Yes, break it into pieces. They go and throw it away in the waste bin or dustbin, you call it. Okay. Then when you are done with this particular prayer, okay, they go and take your bath immediately.